All right, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Good morning. How's it going? Great day today. Market's kind of a mixed bag. Well, we had the jobs numbers come out. We're gonna have a look at that. We'll see what that's gonna do to the market. We'll see the effect it's having. We'll have a look at some Jasmy updates. We will have a look at Circle. Ripple makes another offer for Circle. We're gonna get into it, guys. But first, Jasmy up almost 1% on the day, down 5 on the week, up 59.2 on the month, and up 2.5 on the year. We're up 2 spots in rank to 79 and $829 million market cap, 37 million in volume. Swift Coin up 5.7 on the day, 0.2% on the week, 57 on the month, and 231 on the year. Up 13 spots in rank to 269, $142 million market cap, 6.96 million in volume. Where is our XCN? Up almost, or down, sorry, almost 2% on the day, 17 on the week, up 94 on the month, and 805 on the year. Even in rank at 104, $595 million market cap, 29 million in volume. And Zebek. Someone got offended when I called it Zebek. So Zebek. Up 0.5% on the day, up 51.2 on the week, 43 on the month, but down 35.7 on the year. Up 2 spots in rank to 319, $110 million market cap, 14 million in volume. Let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. What do we have going for us today? So far, well, we're sitting at 97,160, trying to get inside, like trying to close inside this golden pocket here. We're inside it right now. We wicked inside here yesterday. We got to get above this resistance. I told you guys there'd probably be a sell wall here, and we're struggling with one right now. I'm sure we'll break through it. Might take a couple of days. Who knows? Maybe it'll be today. Next level of resistance up here at about $100,000. It's not going to be a hot knife through butter, but I think that's okay. My target on the breakout of this bull pennant is up here between $102,000 and $104,000. Just might take us a day. Like out of this bull pennant, it took 3 daily candles. The breakout, then we wicked up, then we broke out. Right. So it took 3 days to get out of this bull pennant up into the next one. So far, we're just on day 2 here. See how long it takes us to get up to our target. Right. Going into the weekend, however, it'll be interesting because I believe it is Friday today. So, yes, it is Friday today. So we'll see if it's going to be a low volume weekend. Maybe we just kind of range sideways here, up and down over the weekend, and make our next move next week. We'll have to see. I mean, who knows? We do have weekends. There are weekends where we actually run to the upside. So just because it's a weekend doesn't mean that we won't have that next leg up. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. All right, what else do we have here? Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Descent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. You can now access CoinGecko right on your Descent wallet, doing your research on coins right on your wallet. No copy and paste, no typing addresses, direct link from your CoinGecko to wallet. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Not your keys, not your coins. Get the biometric wallet or just the card wallet. Use our link down below. Get an absolutely phenomenal deal, guys. Absolutely phenomenal deal. I have 5 of them. I have the biometric and I have the card wallet. John Deaton tweets out, Circle filed its S1 because we know Circle's going public, right? And they're anticipating being worth about $4 to $5 billion. Now, we know that Ripple had offered them $4 billion to purchase them, and it was turned down. Circle's rejection, it was a $5 billion offer. Sorry, Circle's rejection of the $5 billion offer suggests Circle believes its market valuation, particularly post-IPO, is likely to exceed $5 billion, possibly approaching or surpassing $9 billion. So here's an update. We have Ripple's increased bid for Circle isn't confirmed, but there is serious back and forth. Can confirm Ripple has gone beyond the initial reports for their first public $5 billion offer. So Ripple's pretty determined to purchase Circle here. Now, my suspicion is Ripple wants Circle for many reasons, not the least of which would be all of the licensing and regulatory approvals that Circle as a company has, right? We know that Ripple has created RLUSD, and they're trying to get compliance everywhere, but it would be easier to just purchase Circle and automatically inherit all of their regulatory clarity, so to speak, right? So that's interesting. We'll stay on top of it, guys. We'll keep you apprised of that. We got a quick video here from none other than a friend of the channel, NeoSun, NeoXtrix. Says, Ondo, founder of Jasmy, former president of Sony Group, founder of Sony Life Insurance. Check it out.
When it comes to innovation, it's impossible to predict what will happen in 3 or 5 years. The Japanese are naturally skilled at incremental improvements, like those seen in the Toyota style. However, when it comes to creating something that doesn't yet exist, going from 0 to 1, it's impossible to succeed without taking risks. From a rational standpoint, we must dare to think about ideas that seem a little crazy. I myself currently run a company where I say things like, let's adopt a B2B strategy, let's focus on software, and let's create value where technologies converge. In the past, Sony's founder, Masaru Ibuka, said things like, we will combine electricity and machinery to invent new products. What he meant was that he would take a path that large corporations would never take, because that path often leads to a small or even non-existent market. Large corporations can only survive in vast markets, which is why it's difficult for true innovation to emerge from them. Most people generally don't think that far into the future. However, society cannot change unless we adopt this long-term perspective. When we think about what the world will be like in 5 years, we tend to see it as a simple extension of the present, which limits transformation. In the end, it's all about having a bold goal, because when we only think in the short term, nothing truly changes.
Love the videos that NeoSun makes, guys. Absolutely. Shout out to him for that. We got the jobs numbers here. So the U.S. economy added 177,000 jobs in April, which was more than expected. That's bad, not good. It's good, but it's bad. Does that make sense? Because we wanted the numbers to come in worse than expected. We wanted fewer jobs because we want them to cut rates. That would be another sign for Powell to cut rates. Having more jobs shows strength and gross in the economy, in my opinion. Adding jobs in terms of crypto or rate cuts, not the best, right? Not the best. But I mean, it's not horrible. It's not a lot, but still came in pretty much even with so basically, to sum it up, the jobs numbers came in the same as they did the month before, and we were expecting it to go down, right? So anyway, not the best, not the worst, right? So all in all right, what do we got here? Why the future of Jasmy is going to be epic. The world is entering a new era of digital autonomy, data democratization, and decentralized innovation, and Jasmy is uniquely positioned to be a powerhouse in this transformation. With Japan's first legally compliant crypto project at its back and a vision grounded in user data sovereignty, Jasmy is quietly laying the foundation for something epic. Every time we use the internet, we generate data, but who owns it? Not us, until now. Jasmy's revolutionary approach gives users back control of their personal data through its secure knowledge communicator, the SKC, and Smart Guardian SG technology stack. Instead of tech giants harvesting and profiting from our information, Jasmy empowers individuals to monetize and protect their data. This model isn't just innovative, it's inevitable. As global regulatory frameworks evolve to prioritize user consent and transparency, Jasmy's infrastructure is perfectly aligned to lead this paradigm shift. Unlike many projects in the crypto space, Jasmy has deep roots in Japan's corporate and regulatory landscape. Founded by former Sony executives and listed on multiple major exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase, Jasmy enjoys a level of institutional credibility that few altcoins can match. Japan's progressive stance on Web3 and blockchain tech further strengthens Jasmy's future outlook. With policymakers actively supporting the development of decentralized applications, Jasmy could become a national champion and eventually a global standard. Jasmy isn't just riding one wave, it's surfing three: Web3, IoT, Internet of Things, and AI. Its tech is designed to integrate seamlessly with billions of smart devices, enabling secure, decentralized data exchanges that fuel AI systems without compromising policy. As the digital and physical worlds continue to converge, Jasmy's infrastructure becomes not only relevant, but essential. Epic tokenomics and ecosystem expansion. Jasmy has transitioned from hype to infrastructure. With tangible ecosystem development and token utility, partnerships with Japanese megacorps, and pilot programs in enterprise data solutions are already underway. The token's role within these systems is expanding, from identity verification to transaction settlement, boosting real-world demand. With a deflationary roadmap, including token burns and increased use case integrations, Jasmy's setting up Jasmy to thrive as a scarcity meets soaring demand. Final thoughts: get ready for Jasmy's renaissance. Jasmy isn't just another altcoin, it's a mission, a vision for a digital world where individuals control their data, reap its value, and remain secure. As Web3 matures, regulations evolve, and real-world adoption accelerates, Jasmy's breakout moment is only a matter of time. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, don't just watch from the sidelines. Follow the signals. Ride the Jasmy wave. Not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo. So guys, listen. A question I get asked all the time: how should I be exiting my positions? How do I take profits? What's my price targets? Guys, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help guide you through this space with your profits intact so you can get out of it at the end with your life-changing wealth for you and your family, because that's your goal. That's why you're here at the end of the day, right? Come on over to the Patreon community, guys. You'll learn something new every single day that's going to help you become a better trader and a better investor in this space. We do live streams over there every day. We drop microcap gem videos, so get in early on projects. We drop educational content, tutorial videos on key websites that you're going to need to learn how to use as tools as you become a better trader and investor. And on top of all of that, you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. So come on, guys. Book your one-on-one coaching calls. They're free as a Patreon member, so take advantage of the free tools at your disposal. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.